Hi everyone, my name is Mike and thank you very much for joining me here on IPO Market Watch. Now, artificial intelligence, guys, is what this video is about. It's about AI, it's about digital infrastructure. And usually when people think about that, if they want to invest in that, they'll think about a specific company that's, it produces a chip or I don't know, some people are talking about quantum computing. I think that's, we're still far away from that, so we'll see. But how about in a different way, in a different approach? How about receiving fees for assets under management in portfolio companies that are in various digital infrastructure assets, right? Data centers or cell towers, right? How about that? Does that confuse you? I'll explain in this video. So in this video, I'm going to talk about a company that I actually like, but at the same time, and hopefully I don't forget by the end of the video, I will say my price target because, it doesn't mean that it's infinitely good. At the times we're living in now, people are just looking for up to a year of investments. Most people don't, but long term is nice, but whatever. So we'll look at that. And I think that this company is cool. I already have a position in this, by the way. So I am letting you guys know I do have a position in this stock. I will highly suggest that you do not buy the stock, and that is because I am not your financial advisor. This video is for entertainment purposes, and you have to do your own homework because I'm not a genius, I'm not perfect, and I could get it wrong, right? So, and you should never go by what I trade. So yeah, I just want to make it clear. All right, so before we get to that, guys, first of all, in the Discord, if you want to join our Discord trading community, by the way, someone asked me, why do I sign up on Patreon? You have to sign up on Patreon to get access to Discord. So the link will be at the bottom of your screen, as you can see. Some examples if you want to join our over 2,000 plus members in our Discord community is here. When I told them about HP at 17 bucks, here is when I was telling them that I'll start a position at 17 bucks. It was back on May 13, 2024 that I had posted this. And yeah, so there was more to it. I explained why I would buy HP at 17. And I ended up selling it, and I told everyone ahead of time that I will sell it at 21.22 on November 20th, 2024. Now from 17 to 21, guys, is a great profit for me. But someone might point out, rightfully so, HPE, are you crazy? Why'd you sell it? This is a great long-term company. Whatever. Maybe I'll regret it. I probably will. Anyways, how about WB from 9 to 9.33? Well, that was something I told them I would do for a day trade. And you know what? It just didn't really work out. I mean, it was positive. I made profit, but not that much. Whatever. I got out of that. At least I didn't lose money. RCAT at 505 and sold at 630. Big mistake because that thing went to, like, last time I checked, like 755. So, yeah. And that was like on the 19th of November, 2024.
She's sticking it to me that she makes more money than me.
I'm sure she was just being nice, buying you the coffee.
No, not nice. She's sticking it to me.
You're crazy.
Sticking it to me, Jerry.
George.
Sticking it!
So DigitalBridge Incorporation, ticker symbol DBRG, is the stock I'm going to focus on in this video, right? Now it's trading at $11.97, 12 bucks. That's where it is right now at the time of me recording the video. Now, the market cap of the company currently is at $2.2 billion. And I want you to remember that because we're going to get back to that in a little bit. So DigitalBridge is a leading global alternative asset manager dedicated to investing in digital infrastructure. It is a fast-growing global investment firm that owns, operates, and invests across the full spectrum of digital infrastructure. DigitalBridge is the only dedicated global-scale digital infrastructure firm investing across 5 key verticals: the data centers, cell towers, fiber networks, small cells, and edge infrastructure. Now, I did say they work by a fee. That is because they are an asset manager, right? They manage assets just like Goldman Sachs manages assets. So DigitalBridge grew its free earning equity under management to $32.7 billion in assets under management. The investment case that you can see here, AI-powered secular tailwinds, and they explain the reasons here: the demand, more, better, faster computing and connectivity. The supply, we believe the DigitalBridge investment management platform is a partner of choice. Digital infrastructure specialist, and simple high growth business model. You can read these things if you want to pause the video. I'm not going to go through it so I don't drag this video too long. Let's move on to the next slide. How does DigitalBridge meet the demand? Through artificial intelligence, through cloud, mobile, Internet of Things. And these here, as you can see here, guys, these are the companies in their portfolio, right? So there's plenty, and each one falls like under a certain category, like towers or fiber. Maybe you recognize some of these companies. So here's something pretty cool that I like: the fee revenue in millions, because that's the most important part. They grew that from 2022 to 2024. As their assets under management are growing, so is the fee, which is pretty much the main source of revenue. And you can see that also here in this chart from 2019 to present. This is the total revenue of the company. It is growing exponentially. I mean, it is growing very healthy. It's awesome. They raised, guys, $14 billion in capital raise, which is very important. So in addition to raising fees for the assets under management to support new platforms and investments, we continue to form significant credit and equity to fuel the continued growth of our portfolio companies. In total, they've raised $14 billion just in the first half of 2024. Now, here's something pretty cool. They appointed recently, and this was on November 18, 2024, they appointed Yoshiaki I don't know how to pronounce it, Fujimori, I killed it for sure, as senior executive advisor. What's pretty cool about this is the background that this person has, and this is so that they can have a strategic growth, so they can drive strategic growth in Japan and Asia Pacific region. DigitalBridge also acquired a company called Yonder, if I pronounce it right, because this company, guys, Yonder, is a global developer, owner, and operator of hyperscale data centers, now is acquired by DigitalBridge. They go on to say that Yonder enhances our existing data center portfolio and strengthens our ability to support hyperscalers. I told you in the beginning of the video that DigitalBridge has a market cap of $2 billion. So check this out, guys. This was last month in October. DigitalBridge is exploring a sale of Brazilian firm Scaled Data Centers in a deal that could fetch $2 billion or more. So imagining, and this, it's probably there, I'm guessing, within the next 10 months, I don't know, within the next 1 year tops, they're, or sooner, much sooner, that they're going to close this and sell this, right? So if they sell this for $2 or $3 billion, and their market cap is $2 billion on the commons, their net income has improved to positive $190 million. Net cash flow needs improvement. Total debt has lowered dramatically, so that's awesome. And I'm gonna stop right here, guys. That's enough. Okay. I would urge anyone who is interested in DigitalBridge to not buy the stock based on my video, based on anything that you saw in this video. You have to do your own due diligence. This video isn't it's for entertainment purposes. This isn't full deep dive analysis. I personally like the company. This is just my opinion, personally speaking, just for me. So let me know in the comment section below what you think. If you want to join our Discord community where traders get together to help each other out, ideas, and also the powerful tools that the Discord community does offer to all the members. I have 17 powerful tools, guys, that they really do help you trade better. Such as Dark Pool, the fastest news source, unusual options channel where you can see live what's going on with the options, or the golden sweeps if you're into that. Everything. Join us. The link will be in the comment section below. I wish you guys all the best and take care.